everyone, Nicholas here and welcome to the second ever video on Crippled Tech. Today, well, I just built this PC right here and now I'm gonna, it doesn't have any operating system on it right now, so that means nobody can use it. So this video will be me installing Windows 10 and setting this PC right up. The media is now on this USB stick, so I'll just plug this stick to the back of the PC. Ow! The static electricity is really getting me. Okay, so now we can boot up the PC. Oh wait. Rookie mistake here. Forgot to turn on the power supply and then boot it up. And if the BIOS is smart enough to recognize the media, it should just boot straight to the Windows media. Alright, so let's see. Okay, it's booting straight to the media. Nice. Okay, so this is what you see when you first boot up from the Windows media installer. We select the drive over here and then we click next, and then the installation process has started. So now we just wait for it to install. So I think I'm gonna be back when this is complete. Alright, so Windows is installed, so this is the first time setup screen. Almost there. Okay, right. So there is no drivers currently, so that's why it looks weird like this. So I'm just gonna try plugging in the Ethernet, see if it detects the Ethernet. Alright, so after a couple of rounds of window updates, the Windows is now up to date, and now basically the PC is now set up. I can now go ahead and install all my programs. What am I doing this? I'm gonna install all my programs, and basically that's about it. That's the PC is now usable now. Windows is installed and set up for initial use. We can install all the usual programs that we use, and that's basically about it. Thank you very much for watching this second video of Crippled Tech installing Windows on a fresh PC. That's about it. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and you can go ahead and follow me on all the social media platforms over here or in the description below. And I think that's about it. I'm gonna sign off now. If you enjoyed it, like the video, I say it again. And this is Nicholas signing off.